Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Ahuja and I have been into business of coaching and training for almost 7 years. I have ran my own sales training company for 2 to 3 years, and then I shifted my focus on business coaching, where I have coached more than 40 plus business owners on one-to-one basis, like on a Zoom meeting or face to face or across the table in the office. And then I have done training to at almost 400 to 500 business owners on one to many basis, and I've worked with the top coaches in the world. And yeah, lucky to be part of the greatest company, Quantum Leap, where we got so many opportunities to hone our coaching skills. And not only that, we were able to learn and then teach others on the business skills. And the best way of learning is by teaching. And I was so lucky, and I am blessed and lucky to actually uh, be able to do that. So I was explaining about my own journey, where I faced challenges in my own training journey, in my own uh, marketing journey, and but then I went through a process where now I'm a master. I can tell other people on that, saying that what are the only 5 ways to get clients, and these are the strategies which are uh, used by the top coaches, the top trainers in the world. So let's begin. What's the number one strategy? So the number one strategy which many people use is organic or free. Okay. So the first way is organic or free. So that's a traffic generation strategy. Like this video which you're watching, I will also be repurposing this video and I'll be putting it on other platforms. Now you are coming on Facebook Live. Now this is organic traffic. You are knowing about me. So while I'm getting an opportunity to speak to my participants here in this live session, or even in this video session, if you're watching it offline, this is one of the strategies, and this is the number one strategies which is used by everybody else. Now, the disadvantage of this strategy is that this is a little slow strategy, but the advantage is that uh, it works in a long term and it works really well, because people, they try to understand you, they start knowing you more, and you can actually connect with people using this organic and free. Because when people consume your free knowledge, consume your values, videos, and everything, they are not buying anything from you, they're just connecting with you. Okay. Now the strategy which you should use here is that you should not just keep selling on videos. Okay, keep adding values on videos, keep building connection with videos, keep giving glimpse of people, saying that if they become a part with you, saying that what are the things they can look more deeper with you. The number two way, the number two strategies, which again is one of the most used strategy, is paid ads. Okay, the paid strategy, running ads. Now when I say paid, you can actually spend on marketing campaigns, but now I'm talking about digital, because this is the year where even people who were very hesitant going online, they are jumping the ships, and from offline people are jumping online. So online strategy, online marketing, there are literally only three places where you can put your ads, which is Facebook, Google, and uh, LinkedIn. That's all. When I say Google, that means all the uh, umbrella products which Google has, let's say YouTube, uh, Google search engine, and other apps and everything. So three things: Google ads, Facebook ads, and LinkedIn ads. These are the only three things which you use here. Now the advantage of this strategy is that you can scale up really fast. So let's say if you want to do a webinar from starting from next week, so you can actually start putting ads from today, and you expect people to come in the webinar because they see the ad. And all these companies, they have started showing ads content more compared to organic content. So the advantage is it grows really fast. Disadvantage, people get less time to connect with you here. Now in my previous videos, I did tell you about the three funnels which you should use. If you've not seen that, go ahead and see that, because even when you're running paid ads, you should use those three funnels. Next one. So let's go to the third strategy. And the third strategy is a direct outreach, or in my sales language, which I have done like thousands of times, is cold calling. Okay. Now, in the area of digital, cold calling doesn't work. You actually do direct outreach through direct email, you direct message. I have found my couple of my coaching clients, or I can say the people who I am building their funnels. Okay, so I build funnels. I can build completely digital platforms, the digital branding, for people who want to go online. So I have found my last 3 clients using just this method, which is direct outreach, direct emails, and direct messages. So I was browsing online and I saw some of the people who are actually starting to go online. I saw their websites, I saw their pages and everything, and I saw that, okay, what are the gaps? So I reached out to them and showcased them what are the gaps, and they liked my uh, suggestions and they joined hands, and I'm working for them. So direct outreach, and many people are scared of this because they're scared of sales. But let me tell you, sales is the number one skill you should have, you should learn if you're building up your business, if you're starting your business. So sales, direct outreach, direct email, direct message, or even cold calling. This also should be a part of your funnel, of your ways to get clients. Now, the number 4 strategy, which many people have seen dependent on, is referrals and word of mouth. In fact, you won't believe 90% of the people who I meet, who associate with me when they want to start their business online, they tell me that this is the only method they are getting the client. Now, the advantage is this is the best way to get clients because you are getting a social proof. If you're getting a client by referral, that means somebody has already suggested your product or services to them and now they're coming. So they already have that mental trust and they want to join your hands. So the trust factor is the highest there. Now, the disadvantage of using only this strategy is you don't have much control on this. You don't have much control on your referrals, on word of mouth. You can put strategies out there which can actually increase this, okay, which I will can share with you. You PM me if you want to know how to increase word of mouth, how to increase referral clients. Just send me a PM and I will share with you. But if you are only dependent on this strategy, then please come out of this and start using other strategies. Now, the number 5 strategy which you should use is a partnership. So, what's a partnership? Now, many people who begin their journey online, they should definitely do this. I have seen from the time this lockdown started, a lot of people doing collaborations, joint ventures, partnerships, and that really helps when you are starting your journey online. Because when you talk about partnerships, you actually reach out to the people who are subscribed to the other partner. So, for example, if you are into fitness niche, if you are a fitness coach, you can actually tie up with a dietitian and then you can collaborate and do some kind of content together. Or you can tie up with a person who teaches yoga. Or if you are a person who teaches yoga, then you can tie up with somebody who teaches meditation. So you can actually collaborate, do joint ventures, and explore. Now, the people who you should collaborate are those kind of people who either are on the same level like you or a little ahead than you. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you're joining somebody who's below you, that's also okay. But if you want to reach out and put the effort with joining people who already have bigger list than you. Okay, now these are the only 5 ways you should focus on marketing, nothing else apart from this. Okay, so promise me you will focus on only of these 5s and nothing else. Now, let me also tell you why many people fail. If these strategies are so simple, I just laid them out in front of you. Why still people fail? And I'm talking about specifically the trainers, the coaches, and the consultants. And I have been the victim of this too. I have, gone down. I've again gone up. Again, I've gone down. This is a roller coaster ride. But I have done this mistake, and no more. Okay, no more. And I know everybody speaks about this, but it's not that clear. But let me still share with you the power of one. The power of one is something which when you practice you will succeed, and there is no other option. You just have to put that power of one, and you just have to put your energy to it and make it bigger. So what is power of one? Power of one is that you focus on only on one traffic source, one target market, one product or service, one conversion tool, and for 1 year. Okay. So what is target market? Sorry, what is traffic source? The traffic source can be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, so many things. Just choose one. Okay. You can have secondary things where you can post, doesn't matter, but choose one which should be your primary traffic source. Are you a Facebook person? Are you a YouTube person? Are you an Instagram person? Decide. More than you being a that person, you also look at where your audience resides. Okay. Now TikTok is more for younger generation. If you are into career coaching, career counseling, go full-fledged into TikTok. Now Instagram is again for youth, but it's still like a balanced one. But if you're into lifestyle, if you're into if you're into health, if you're into meditation, yoga, spirituality, all that, or even money making, then you can go into Instagram niche. If you are into motivation, into let's say power of attraction, if you are into technical, then YouTube can be fun for you. uh, Facebook is open for all right now. Everything works on Facebook. So if you can't decide one thing, you can just decide Facebook. And Facebook really works right now. Even the cost of putting ads is the lowest on Facebook right now. If you are into B2B, if you're into more into corporates, then choose LinkedIn. So like that, choose only one traffic source. Don't worry about all the traffic sources right now at this stage. One target market. Choose only one target market, choose only one niche, and decide only one. Don't think of that I will choose this also, I will choose that also, I will choose that also, because then you will be doing mistake. Choose one traffic source, one target market which works best for you right now. Now, one product or service, I have mentioned here online. You can go offline also, you can go online also. But right now, the kind of situation people are in, online is the only way. Okay, if you want to learn how, just reach out to me and I will tell you how. I'm helping so many people on daily basis to create their online strategies. I have helped in last 1 month at least 30 people. I have helped to build their strategies, how to convert spin, their offline business to online business. If you are confused, just reach out to me, just PM me and I will tell you the process. uh, One conversion tool, webinar. Right now, webinar is everywhere. I'm sure you must be getting a lot of ads a lot of ads on webinars. So if you think that already so many people are doing it, why should I do it? Then you are very wrong here. If everybody is doing it, the reason everybody is doing it because that's working. And if you have your niche really well defined, then doesn't matter, just go out with your webinar. See, if you're adding value to people's life, those people will connect with you. So go out, spread the word about your webinar, and then use that as a conversion tool. Now, what are the other conversion tools? Other conversion tools can be offline. Even in online, webinar is not only conversion tool. For example, I use a fragmentation funnel where I help when I talk about online strategies and everything. People take appointment with me, so I have a one-to-one strategy session with people, because for me, I talk about a high-value product there. So when I talk about high-value product there, I'm not selling by webinar. I also do webinars where I teach people how to start their training business, their coaching business, their consulting business, or how to spin it from offline to offline. Again, there I offer them a low ticket item. So if you have a low ticket item, webinar is the best way. Explore webinar right now. Okay, before it's too late. It's working out really well. And 2020 is the age of online, is the age of online selling, the age of digital selling. And lucky for me, I started my digital selling company at least a year back. And then do all that for 1 year. No looking here, there, anywhere. Just focus for 1 year and just focus on this clarity. If you want, write it down on a piece of paper, print it out in front of you, saying that this is what it is and you want to master it. Okay, if you want to learn more about all these things, I've shared a link of my group where people, when they join the group, I share content, I share a lot of things there. Okay, and you can actually ask questions and I can reply on that. If you're working on all these things, you can ask me questions, I can help you out. You can join that group. I've shared the link in the comment section, in the description section. Just click on that link and join that group. It's free of cost right now. But yeah, this is what it is. So I'm done here. I don't want to elaborate too much here, but if you like this live, please share it with your friends who can be interested, who can be benefited from this. If you feel that you have a friend who is a trainer, who is a coach, who is a consultant, then just tag them in the in the comment section, so that they can also see this and they can get benefited out of this. And that's all for today right now, folks. It's super happy to be on a Facebook live and connect with everybody. And next Monday again, I will catch up with you again. All right then, bye bye, have a good weekday.